Hello and welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. So today we begin our journey of taking a Honda Grom clone and swapping in a Daytona racing engine. The Grom clone is the X-Pro 125cc Vader. It's a very cheap clone, meaning there's going to be a lot of problems we need to work through, but it's cheap, cheap, cheap. Less than half the price of a Grom. It's less than half the price of a used Grom in some cases. It's not a bad bike, honestly, and it looks like a steel frame, meaning that it will be easy to weld and modify if I need to. What I'm doing is I'm going to Wholesale Cycle, wholesale-cycle.com, and they're old friends of ours from the Piranha Pit Bike Racing Team days. They have some awesome new Piranhas and YCF bikes available now, but I don't do dirt bikes anymore. You know, just with age, get a cage, or in this case, a Grom. But I'm going to be buying a Daytona Anima 190cc FLX engine. This is a engine designed for racing, so it's a 25 horsepower racing engine. Now, in comparison, the Honda Grom has a 10 to 15 horsepower engine. So we are getting more than double the horsepower with this engine. And yes, it does cost more than the entire bike. I'm getting a Kian 28mm carburetor, universal oil cooler, some fuel filters, fuel line, a little racing stand, and some tie downs. And I stopped my order there because I don't know what I'm going to need yet. I don't know what I'm going to have to buy. There's going to be a lot of things that have to be replaced on that little Chinese bike to get it ready for this racing motor. Probably the chain, probably the sprocket, maybe some better brake pads. But I'm sure a lot of you are wondering why would I buy a Daytona racing engine that is more valuable than the entire bike? Why? Like, what's wrong with this guy? He's gonna race a Grom? Like, seriously? Well, a picture may be worth a few words, but a video is priceless.